Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Professor Xiao. The purpose of this video is to help you with a specific homework question. The data set in this video is a little special. It's simulated data, not an imported data. Let's look at the Jupyter Notebook. Based on the simulated data, this is the confusion matrix. Notice that the predicted labels are arranged as columns. The actual labels are arranged as rows. This layout is consistent with the format that I recommend to use in the lecture video as well as in the following videos. Make sure that you stick to these layouts. Here, I simulated the data based on the key values of the confusion matrix so that the confusion matrix will turn out to be exactly the same after the data is simulated. Note that I use a random seed 10 to shuffle the simulated data set. As for the imported packages, we only need a short list of these because we are only dealing with the datasets and the model evaluation metrics. All of the functions used here to calculate the model evaluation metrics come from the scikit-learn package.metrics submodule. The confusion matrix again. Now let's calculate the specific model evaluation metric. Here we will calculate TPR, true positive rate, also known as recall or sensitivity. Remember that true positive rate is the ratio between one of the cells on the diagonal line, the top cell, the ratio between true positive and the first row sum, the row sum of the positive actual labels, as shown here on the screen. So by manual calculation, true positive rate or recall is the ratio between true positive and the first row sum, which is the sum of true positive and false negative. Let's run this. And now let's use programming to calculate it. For this, you will use the recall score function from scikit-learn.metrics. Recall is a TPR. You will provide the same two arguments, the two columns. So let's run this code. And I use the same format to print and compare the two calculations, one by hand, the other by programming. And let's see if they match. The results match. Let's take a look at this metric. TPR is the ratio between true positives and all positive actual labels. So it's a percentage of all positives that are classified correctly as positive. The meaning is what the recall refers to. Recall is to recall all the positive cases. Of all the positive actual labels, how many of them or what's the percentage of them that are recognized by the prediction algorithm? A recall of 0.973 is actually very high. The model is performing pretty well in recognizing almost all of the actual positive labels. If this case is cancer detection, then the model is doing pretty good job in detecting almost all of the true cancer tumors from all of the patients. So well done. This concludes the demo of the TPR or recall or sensitivity. Be sure to watch my other videos on other concepts of the confusion matrix. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.